Hey, we'll be swapping. That way you guys get a couple plays breather. What do you usually play? The outside or the inside?
Outside.
Hey, bro. Yeah, we'll stay for when he comes back. Hey, what are we gonna do? Dominate everybody. You understand? That's our strong point right here. Is our fucking offensive line. We got some big boys that can move some bodies, but it's gonna be up to you guys. You understand? Our backs can fucking run. Danny, Melosi can run.
We used to have matches out there at Marion Manning Park. Okay, I used to coach the Razorbacks back in the time. Okay, but anyway, guys, look, listen up. Hey, so my 13U's guys, I want to keep you guys playing on these schools. Okay, I just got Hanks to come and play.
Hey, what is that? What is that? Teams on me, teams on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Let's go, baby.
Hey,
Okay guys, T-Birds versus Outlawz. GK and Chill in the morning.
It's not as hot, so you don't feel like you gotta drink as much, but you gotta drink. It is Tails.
All on it! Go, Jaden! Go, Jaden! Go, Jaden!
That's all you. That's all you.
So that was a shaky start from you guys, I'm not gonna lie. First one's my fault, bro. And then second one's probably my fault too. Yeah guys, that was my fault. Shaky start for us. Outlawz. My bad, folks.
Get it!
Dang. Bro, I see nothing but red. This is wild. Both teams wearing red.
Get it, Roger. Get it, Roger. There you go. There you go, Jaden. What's the flag?
Dang, this is playoff football, y'all. Dream lead, 13U. What a run. Tough, bro. Touchdown. T-Birds. They got it. T-Birds got it.
Attack the ball, attack the ball. There you go. Attack. Go.
Good job. You keep coming through, dog.
Good work.
Stop.
Go down. Go down. Go down. There we go, Danny. Go down.
Force.
First down.
Emmy, like PB, they had when they had Emmy and Ryan and stuff. America's won the shit.
Whoa.
Other team slider. You know slider, bro. I posted. I got a head top. I'm like, they're just like high school. You want Johnny the Key?
Yeah. He's quit like every team, bro.
There's a cup I played against them.
Come on, Outlawz! Come on, Outlawz! Come on, Outlawz! Get him, Outlawz! Get him! Get
Hey, go on 14.
Bro, the
It was on the.
Come on, Outlawz!
oh, he touched it, bro.
Come on, Outlawz! Come on, Outlawz!
Monday game.
Mm-hmm. Alright, y'all, so halftime. Pretty good game so far right now. Alright, guys, so I'm not going to go over there. It's the playoffs. I'm going to let them focus. Halftime vibes. I don't want to be a distraction, so no content. Second half now. Outlawz getting ready.
Hey, don't let anything get to your head, bro. Let's go. Come on, boys. All you gotta do is hold them block. What the fuck? Let's go. Be ready. First deep.
Number 12. Fourth quarter. First down. Over.
are they acting like they're gonna win? Like, they're always trying to hurry up. We all down, I think.